My love for Greater Sekhukhune region, the home of the Bapedi. Home, home, home sweet home, Greater Sekhukhune. My heart is longing to be home, Greater Sekhukhune. I have traveled the world over. You remained my home, sweet home. I have not seen a place better than home, Greater Sekhukhune. The place of joy, the place of laughter, the place of simplicity, the place of authenticity. Home sweet home. Jane Fairs, Mashalis Bethlehem, Makhuduthamaga, Greater Sekhukhune, Limpopo Province, South Africa. I have dreamt of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from London, England, United Kingdom. I have dreamt of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Berlin, Germany. I've dreamt of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Frankfurt, Germany. I've dreamt of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Milan, Italy. I have thought of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I have thought of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. I have thought of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Texas, Houston, United States of America. I have thought of you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Philadelphia, United States of America. I have spoken about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from New York, United States of America. I have spoken about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Washington, D.C., United States of America. I have spoken about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Cairo, Egypt. I have spoken about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Sharm el-Sheikh, Mount Sinai, Egypt. I have spoken about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Lagos, Nigeria. I have laughed about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Cologne, Germany. I have laughed about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Hamburg, Germany. I have laughed about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Munich, Germany. I have laughed about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Harare, Zimbabwe. I have laughed about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Gieled, Germany. I have sung about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. I have sung about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Gaborone, Botswana. I have sung about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Aachen, Germany. And I have sung about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Atlanta, United States of America. I have praised you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Koblenz, Germany. I have praised you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Mainz, Germany. I have praised you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Wiesbaden, Germany. I have praised you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Erlangen, Germany. And I have praised you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Goldstein, Germany. I have smiled about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Swindon, England, United Kingdom. I have smiled about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I have smiled about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Durban, South Africa. And I have smiled about you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Cape Town, South Africa. I have celebrated you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Kimberley, South Africa. I have celebrated you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Bloemfontein, South Africa. I have celebrated you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Port Elizabeth, South Africa, Ebai. I have celebrated you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Mafikeng, South Africa, Maftown. I have loved you, Greater Sekhukhune, from Nelspruit, Mbombela, South Africa. I have loved you, Greater Sekhukhune from Abuja, Nigeria. I have loved you, Greater Sekhukhune from Accra, Ghana. I have loved you, Greater Sekhukhune from Nairobi, Kenya. I have remembered you, Greater Sekhukhune from Mauritius. I have remembered you, Greater Sekhukhune from Boksburg, South Africa. I have remembered you, Greater Sekhukhune from Bocholt, Germany. And I have remembered you, Greater Sekhukhune from Johannesburg, South Africa. I have promoted you, Greater Sekhukhune, on cyberspace. I have promoted you, Greater Sekhukhune, on radios. I have promoted you, Greater Sekhukhune, in forums. I have promoted you, Greater Sekhukhune, in debates. And I have promoted you, Greater Sekhukhune, on television. It does not matter where I have been, you remained my beloved home, Greater Sekhukhune. It does not matter what you do not have, Greater Sekhukhune, you are my pride. It does not matter what is remaining to be done, you gave foundation of my life. It does not matter how hard it is, I'm committed to plowing back to you, Greater Sekhukhune. The kings and chiefs of Greater Sekhukhune, you are our heritage. Kgoshi Mashigwana, you are my anchor, my origin. Umudu wa Pachana wa Pacha. Motau wa Mashigwana wa Kwekwe, Melagangang ko moral dingwana. Kgoshi Skwati Mamburu, re leboga botho jwa gago. O amogetse bana ba Pachane ba Kgoshi ya Mashigwana. Kgoshi ya Bapedi Sekhukhune, re khunamaga dikhuru ge re bona wena. Basadi ba bomme ba Matheba ba Gankwana wa Diopo re a le tlotla. Moripane village, Malibong village, you are my birth and growth places. You brought me up, you gave me life, you offered me to the outside world. Jane First Marshall's Bethlehem, you are my city of the future. The villages of Greater Sekhukhune, you are our theaters. The schools of Greater Sekhukhune, you are our sources of inspiration. The leaders of Greater Sekhukhune, you are our hope. The mothers and fathers of Greater Sekhukhune, you are our pillars. The children and the youth of Greater Sekhukhune, you are our future. The people of Greater Sekhukhune, we love you all. Greater Sekhukhune, you are our beloved home. Greater Sekhukhune, you are the home of Lulu Mountain. Greater Sekhukhune, you are the home of Jane First City in the making. Greater Sekhukhune, you are the home to Makhuduthamaga. The secret about you, Greater Sekhukhune, is that you are truly African. The beauty about you, Greater Sekhukhune, is that you are still to be discovered. The magic about you, Greater Sekhukhune, is that you have the big heart for big things to come. The known fact about you, Greater Sekhukhune, is that you are home of the Barbary nation of South Africa. We love you, Greater Sekhukhune. We treasure you, Greater Sekhukhune. We honor you, Greater Sekhukhune. We respect you, Greater Sekhukhune. Home, 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 home sweet home. Jane First, Marshall's Bethlehem, Makhuduthamaga, Greater Sekhukhune, Limpopo Province, Mzansi, South Africa. We love you. Greater Sekhukhune, home sweet home. Forever we shall love you.